If you want to change the size of this navigation bar, which is at the bottom, then you have to use an app called GoodLog. Open Play Store and search for this app called GoodLog. So this is the application I have already installed. Open it, and once you open it, you have to scroll down, and then there is an extension here which is Navstar. Open it, and then you have to download this option at first. So once you have downloaded this option, you have to press on this play button, enable this option. Now here there is an option, customize navigation bar height. Right now it is high. You can drag it in the middle so that it becomes medium height, and if you drag to the low, you can see the navigation bar will be very small. So you can increase or decrease the height of the navigation bar from here. Thank you for watching this video. If you have learned anything from this video, then please share. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.